Hello, everybody, and good day. This is Fred with Wentworth CCTV of New England, and we are coming at you today with an exciting video. It's actually a series of videos on topics we come across when we respond to service calls. We have a service call list that we keep up with in which customers are having issues with either CCTV, Wi-Fi, networking, or access control. Both customers in which we've installed equipment as well as other installers. So we thought it would be neat to document these in videos and kind of have them be a reference or a resource to our subscribers. We have a lot of guys that are electricians, low voltage electricians, low voltage technicians, and do-it-yourselfers. And they don't deal with this stuff every day, but it's useful for them if they come across it with the client. Hey, I remember I saw a video on this. I know how to do it. So we're going to start today. We have a car wash in our portfolio that we've had for 4 or 5 years now. And they called the other day and they said, hey, you know, our timestamp on our security cameras no longer matches the actual time, and it's very difficult to do playback. Is there a way that you can update this for us? And there is, of course. We can log into the system remotely using IBMS 4200, log in with Hik-Connect, and we can change the time settings so it can update through a time server. That way this issue will never be an issue again at this location. In fact, it's something that we do with new installations now anyway, but back then we didn't. So we're going to take you along for the ride and show you what we do in that scenario. And we're going to post more videos on this service call series. Hopefully they'll be useful to you. As always, please subscribe to our channel. If you have not done so, there's a red subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Like the videos if they're useful. And leave comments. We come up with a lot of content and a lot of videos based on subscriber content, and we want to post things that are useful to you. So let's get to it. All right, so let's get into it. This is the first service call in our service call series, and it is a car wash that we manage whose timestamp on the security camera system, it's a Hikvision NVR, does not match the actual time. We've installed this system several years ago, and for whatever reason, the timestamp's just off. So we have to correct it by putting it on a time server. As you can see, this thinks it's Monday at 10:29, and it's actually 12:29. So we're 2 hours behind. We do have the right date. So what you can do is put this on a time server, and once you do that, you'll never have to worry about adjusting the time date stamp on the NVR ever again. It will keep up with daylight savings, so on and so forth. So what you want to do is go into the control panel, go into device management. You're going to pick your device. This again is Conserve Car Wash. So we're going to remote configure this device. And when you do this through Hik-Connect, it is a little bit slow. We're logged into IBMS 4200 and logging in using the Hik-Connect P2P app, so it's not rocket fast. What you're going to do is go into device management and you'll see time. Okay. And what we want to do is enable the NTP server. Okay, and you want it to look just like this. Okay, you'll see in the description below a link to cut and paste this .gov server address into your settings for your NVR. But it's time-a-g.nist.gov, just like that. Okay. Your port you're going to leave defaulted. It should be 1, 2, 3. Synchronization interval should be 60 minutes. That's fine. That means your NVR is going to contact that server every hour to adjust time. Okay. If you have daylight savings time, you could enable that with whenever that is in your area. Okay. And you're just going to pick the right time zone. Okay. We are Eastern time here. We want to save this. And now when we go into live view our cameras, our timestamp should be correct. 12:31, 12:31, just like that. So this is a a simple thing you can update from remotely and adjust your customer or your location's time easily remotely using Hik-Connect and the IVMS 4500 tool. Done very quickly, done easily, and we'll see you in the field.